It's video 4 here on the Klaus Venkman Show. Of course, the son of the great Peter Venkman. That's I, Klaus Q. Venkman Jr. The third in the lineage of amazing Ghostbusters. And Fat Ghost doesn't appear in dim light, but Sync Ghost does. And there he is. He's looks like he's about to pounce or something. And of course, down here, these guys like to appear in the day, but they're inactive. There's somebody here on the Clark the Shark Show.